Hi guys, I'm Ria. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be different. As you must have already read by the title, I'm not going to show you any makeup tutorial or anything related to makeup. So today I'm going with my friends on a short trip to Neeral, and I just thought of vlogging a bit about it. So here I am telling you about it. And okay, it's 8 o'clock in the morning approximately, and I've just got ready. I've packed my bags, and now I'm leaving for the trip. So let's go. And if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hey guys, it's 10:21 a.m. right now. We started our journey approximately at 8:15 a.m. and we have reached Karzat Highway. We are close to Neeral right now, and the roads haven't been good till now, but my friend here drives really well, and no matter how the surroundings are, but when you are with friends, you always enjoy the journey. So yeah, that's what we are doing. I have taken a sugarcane juice break, and these are my friends. So this is my friend who drives really well. Say hi, Soham.
Hi everyone.
And he is one of the most responsible friend. He's carrying the bags of the entire clan.
Hello.
So guys, this is the place we are going to stay for the night. Such a pretty garden. So guys, this is the entrance of the farmhouse, and this is the area surrounding the farmhouse. This is so beautiful. Right now we are having vada pav because we are quite hungry, as you can see by the faces of some people. It's lunchtime now. We are having chicken and bhakri, and there are some vegetarian people, so they are having matar paneer and bhakri. So guys, now we are busy playing damsharas. My friend is enacting but kind of failing.
In out.
We are just having a good time. To have our dinner now, and for dinner we have in veg
Paneer matar masala. In non-veg, chicken sukha and
chicken curry.
Chicken curry.
Nice. So everything looks tempting. So guys, it's almost 12 a.m. and all are still wide awake. We are playing Uno.
And I am the winner.
Yeah, this guy is the winner. Good morning guys, it's 10 a.m. we woke up late because we slept quite late. We slept at around 2 a.m. because we were busy playing. First we played Uno, and then we played badminton for a really long time. And then finally, after everyone was exhausted, we slept. But then again, we had so much fun. Like, it's okay to compromise one day of sleep for having fun. Now we are about to have breakfast. The breakfast is same like yesterday, vada pav. Because where we are living right now, we are very inside, and there is no network here and any accessibility to any restaurant. There is a dhaba kind of place nearby where we order our food, lunch and dinner. And so there are not many varieties, but the food is quite tasty. Means whatever they served us till now from yesterday, we had no complaints whatsoever. So yeah, we are just having a very good time. So Nerad is a very good place if you want to spend your time amidst nature, if you want to get some time out of the hustle and bustle of the city, and want to live a corona free life for a moment, because यहाँ पे इतने केसेस नहीं है जितने हमारे सिटीज़ में है. एंड इट वाज ऑल वर्थ इट. लाइक I spent time with my friends after so many days, because of the pandemic we do not meet regularly, and we spent time without wearing masks, because here only we 7 people were there, no one else. So we were not in contact with any outsider whatsoever. We had our sanitizers and we had all the protective measures necessary. We had our masks, we wore it while when we left the city, but then here we did not require it. So guys, I recommend you to visit Neral if you want to, really enjoy yourselves. Book a farmhouse here, or any place you want. Stay amidst nature, go to the waterfall and enjoy. So guys, we have reached Badlapur now. We are at McDonald's, and I've come to McDonald's after a long time. Like, the last I remember I went to McDonald's was in 2019, and now they are allowing dining. So yes, we are here with all the precautionary measures, and here is my meal. So guys, we have ordered what is this? Chinese aloo burgers with American cheese supreme veg, and french fries, potato wedges, some ketchup and coke. And also there is a McFlurry Oreo, but then it will melt if we have it right now. So yeah, we have asked him to bring it in some time. So guys, I'm gonna dig in. So I came home sometime before, and I'm already missing the place. Or I got freshened up and just wanted to say that thank you all for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. There are more travel vlogs coming up, so stay tuned.